Hi, Karen Deis here, and this is the May 2015 Mortgage Currency Rule and Regulation Update. This month, mortgage currency subscribers will find 16 articles of rule changes that happened within the last 30-day time period. You'll also find 3 mortgage talking point flyers, Facebook posts, and automatic tweets that will help enhance your marketing to real estate agents so you are perceived as the expert in your corner of the lending world. So let's start with the new FHA Handbook 4001, which has now been delayed till September 14th, 2015. They claim that the reason for it is that since TRID is going into effect August 1st, lenders are going to be overwhelmed. Now, here's the thing. It was going to be June 15th, 45 days before TRID, and now it's September 14th, 45 days after TRID. I don't know about you, but I think I would have preferred that it had been June, get that down pat, and then work on TRID, as opposed to two things coming in together at once. Here's the real reason I think it's been delayed is that they need more time to clarify some of the rules because lenders have been questioning them about the rules. They've been changing the rules that they just changed, and lenders are also asking for clarification. In fact, in reviewing some of the updates, we have updated the chart. It used to be 46 different changes. Now it's up to 56 different changes. So review the charts, but be prepared because we're going to keep watching it up until September 14th and beyond to make sure that you are updated on all of the current FHA handbook rule changes. Now there's one more thing I want to tell you about on HUD's flipping rules. Back in December when they extended the HUD flipping rule, there was a little known sentence in there that says that if a property was transferred because of a quitclaim deed or because of a deed transfer where no money exchanged hands, it's no longer to be considered as a flip. Let your underwriters know, because I know they're still considering it, and we did for a while, that even any deed transfer was a flip. So that's just been clarified. So if you or your company have a marketing service agreement or are even considering one in the future, beware. The CFPB says most of them out there are illegal. In fact, our compliance editor, Tammy Butler, just attended a 2-day legal conference specifically on MSAs. And what she found out, that there's a series of do's and don'ts, most of them don'ts. And CFPB is going after those people who have marketing service agreements, leveling huge fines, and they've also threatened jail time. Now, since these agreements also involve real estate agents, I don't know about you, but I don't think I would like to get to know a real estate agent any better because I have to share a jail cell with them. So now over the last few months, Fannie has been issuing what they call job aids and FAQs, where they not only outline some of the rules, but they've been providing charts and checklists. Now, it's a great start, but in reviewing some of them, they still need some work because it's still hard to understand. So we, in these articles, are interpreting them again for you in plain language. Fannie's updates this month include collateral underwriting and how non-server sellers can take advantage of collateral underwriting without having to be approved by Fannie Mae. There's also a fact sheet on community second mortgages, and it's something you might want to take a look at because very few lenders are offering it, and it may set you apart from the other lenders in your community. There's an FAQ regarding property waiver inspections and how it can benefit you and your borrowers, and some rules and regulations associated with that. And there's a couple of job aids on how to get loans approved if a borrower has 5 to 10 properties. And then there is another one that they issued about how a person who is a second home who also shows rental income on that second home can still qualify that home as a second home. So share this one with your underwriters as well, because in the past, if a second home showed rental property showed rental income, the underwriters claimed it was an investment property, and that's no longer the case. Oh, and let your real estate agents know that Fannie has some new incentives for borrowers for their REO properties. VA is really concerned that lenders and title companies are not disclosing the HUD-1 correctly when it comes to itemized fees. So they have now provided 4 examples of what should be shown on a HUD-1. Pay special attention to the one where the lender pays the borrower's closing costs by increasing the interest rate. So share that one particularly with your title reps. Now, last thing, read part 5 of our TRID series, where we provide a color-coded chart for you to use when it comes to the 3-day waiting period for the disclosing just before closing. And finally, HARP has been extended to December 2016. Now, I don't know why they just can't say it's available until further notice. So again, thanks for viewing. And remember that getting a loan approved and closed these days is rocket science.